is Subhaditya and you are watching Sensor Stories. I'm a marketer turned YouTuber who's just starting his YouTube journey and I would love your support on that. The story you are about to see is about a bird, the Black Kite, which roams around my house the entire day. And that is when I decided to capture it with my camera. And this story is really very close to my heart. So do watch it till the end and let me know in the comments how you feel. So without any further ado, let's get started. It was a usual Sunday morning and it has been raining the entire time yesterday. I was sitting in my hall, sipping my coffee and admiring my guest, the Black Kite. Every day I see this bird sitting peacefully on top of the building, scanning the entire area and soaking in the sun. It usually sits there around for a couple of minutes and flies off. I always think of photographing it, but whenever I get my camera, it just disappears. But this morning, something unusual happened. I know the bird is there as I see its reflection on the tile floor in my hall. But as I kept my glass down, I saw it again. It was still there. This was my opportunity. I grabbed my camera and rushed to the balcony to shoot the kite. There it was, sitting on top of the world like a king, cleaning itself, overcasting its kingdom. It sat there enjoying the sun, embracing the cool breeze while sounding the alarm. It was there for such a long time, as if it wanted me to photograph it. The building top is quite far from my balcony, so getting a clear shot was very difficult. But I still decided to go for it, to respect my friend for its time. And I never thought how he would welcome this decision. I wanted to try my luck and planned to sit with the camera in the evening, waiting for it to show up. The golden hour was approaching and I was eagerly waiting for it to show up so that I could photograph it in the perfect time. But it never showed up. I was losing the daylight now, and with it, my hopes. I was very disappointed. I don't know why did it not show up. I don't know why did it forget its daily ritual. I thought as if it was teasing me. And suddenly, it flew by with a sprint. I was not ready and only got few shots before it disappeared behind the building. But then, it came back, all alone, soaring high in the sky and surfing through the wind. What happened next has never happened before. This friend of mine brought his entire family to visit me. I have never seen so many kites together. This was happening for the very first time. There were, 15 to 20 kites flying in the sky above my head. I struggled to photograph all of them as I wanted to capture every moment of this gift. I was so confused where to point my camera. This rush of adrenaline has now taken over my body. It was so surreal and dramatic. The low lighting and the silhouettes of kites covering the entire sky. I had never seen anything in my life like this before. My heart was full. With the night taking over the skies, the kettle left to sleep tightly in their nests, giving me the experience for a lifetime. Photography is often filled with a lot of disappointments, but it is the experiences that matters and pushes you to go out and explore. Good photos and videos are just the icing on the cake. I would like to thank my friend, the Sunkeeper, who brought his entire family with him to meet me. We'll see you again soon, my friend. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did while creating it. So let me know in the comments how you feel. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you next time.